If you've just turned 50, congratulations. You've officially entered the age of wisdom, confidence, and, a body that sometimes needs a little more care than before. Especially when it comes to two silent heroes, your liver and your kidneys. These hard-working organs detoxify your body, filter your blood, keep your hormones in balance, and yet, we barely think about them until something goes wrong. But here's the secret. With just one small morning habit, you can support them naturally. No pills, no expensive supplements, no magic. Just nature, warmth, and the power of ancient ingredients passed down through generations. So grab your favorite mug, get cozy, and let's explore 5 healing morning drinks that can transform your health after 50. Welcome back to Be Health, where every sip is a step toward a stronger, brighter you. Let's explore now and don't miss these useful things. Topping Be Health's list is Artichoke Tea, the liver's royal guard. Let's begin with a quiet powerhouse that's been healing livers for centuries, artichoke tea. Now I get it. When you hear artichoke, your mind might jump to a pizza topping or a fancy appetizer. But when brewed as a tea, this humble vegetable turns into something extraordinary. A gentle but effective detoxifier your liver will absolutely love. The magic lies in a natural compound called cynarin. This little-known nutrient helps your liver produce more bile, which is how your body naturally removes toxins. Think of bile as the liver's cleaning crew, washing away the waste so your body can function with more energy, clarity, and balance. But that's just the beginning. Artichokes are also rich in silymarin, the same antioxidant compound found in milk thistle, a plant that's long been praised for protecting liver cells from damage. Silymarin doesn't just shield your liver, it actively supports the regeneration of damaged cells, helping your liver heal and stay strong over time. This tea is particularly helpful for those living with fatty liver, elevated liver enzymes, or anyone who's been taking medications for a long period of time. Your liver works hard to process everything you consume, and sometimes, it simply needs a little help, a gentle push in the right direction. To make this tea, just take 1 or 2 dried artichoke flowers, or about a teaspoon of dried artichoke leaves. Steep them in freshly boiled water for around 10 minutes. The result is an earthy, calming tea best enjoyed warm, not cold. Drinking it warm enhances absorption, allowing your body to soak in every drop of goodness. So the next time your morning begins, before you pour your usual cup of coffee, consider reaching for something different, something your liver will recognize as a true friend. 2. Roasted brown rice water, the unsung hero of kidney health. Let's be honest, brown rice has never really been the star of the show. It's often seen as the healthy choice, but not exactly something to get excited about. But here's the surprise. Once it's roasted and simmered slowly, brown rice transforms into a warm, nutty drink that's deeply soothing, surprisingly delicious, and quietly powerful. Especially for your kidneys. Roasted brown rice water may not be flashy, but it's what I like to call an unsung hero in the world of natural healing. It's rich in magnesium, B-complex vitamins, and essential trace minerals, nutrients your kidneys depend on to function at their best. These elements help balance your body's electrolytes, regulate fluid levels, and support urine production. Over time, this gentle nourishment reduces stress on the kidneys and encourages better elimination of waste, all while being kind to the digestive system. If you often wake up feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not fully yourself, this simple morning drink could be the answer. It rehydrates your body after a night's rest, helps flush out toxins naturally, and calms the stomach in a way that feels grounding, like a quiet moment of healing at the start of the day. Making it is just as comforting as drinking it. Take about 100 grams of brown rice, the unpolished kind with all its nutrients intact, and gently roast it on low heat until it turns golden brown and fills your kitchen with a warm, toasty aroma. Then, add the roasted rice to about 1.5 liters of boiling water, and let it simmer for around 20 minutes. Strain, let it cool slightly, and sip it warm in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. What you'll get isn't just a healthy drink. You'll get a sense of calm, a moment of stillness, a way to start your day with intention and care, one sip at a time. 3. Corn silk water, gentle, golden, and powerful. Let's talk about something most people throw away without a second thought. Those fine, silky strands wrapped around an ear of corn. Soft, golden, and often overlooked, corn silk might seem like kitchen waste. But in traditional medicine, it's considered one of the most effective natural tonics for kidney health. It's nature's quiet remedy, gentle in its action, but incredibly powerful in what it can do for your body. Corn silk acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body release excess water through increased urine flow. But this isn't just about losing water weight. What it really does is help your kidneys flush out waste products like urea and uric acid, both of which can quietly build up and cause fatigue, swelling, or worse, kidney stones. For people dealing with high blood pressure, recurring puffiness, or just a feeling of being weighed down, corn silk water brings real relief. It eases the burden on your kidneys, reduces inflammation, and helps your body regain its natural balance, all without harsh chemicals or side effects. Preparing this golden elixir is beautifully simple. Take a generous handful of corn silk, fresh if it's in season, or dried if you've saved some, and boil it with about 1 liter of water. Let it simmer for around 15 minutes, then strain and sip the warm liquid slowly, ideally in the morning before breakfast. The taste is light, slightly sweet, and comforting. It's the kind of drink that doesn't shout for attention, but quietly does the work of restoring and rebalancing your body from the inside out. It's like giving your kidneys a gentle hand, not to push them harder, but to help them do what they were always meant to do. So next time you peel a fresh ear of corn, pause before tossing those golden threads away. You might just be holding one of the best-kept secrets in natural healing. 4. Gotu Kola juice, nature's coolest detox. Sometimes, the body sends signals that it's carrying too much heat, not the kind you measure with a thermometer, but an internal fire that leaves you feeling tired, irritable, or breaking out unexpectedly. Traditional medicine calls it internal heat, and it often points to an overworked liver or a detox system in need of support. That's where Gotu Kola comes in, a humble leafy green known throughout Asia as a cooling, calming, and deeply healing plant. It doesn't just refresh your body, it helps reset it. Gotu Kola, also known as Centella asiatica, is famous for its ability to support liver function, especially the regeneration of liver cells. It gently helps your body process and eliminate toxins, while also doing wonders for the skin. If your acne, rashes, or dull complexion seem to be linked to what's happening inside, this is your Gotu Green. But it doesn't stop at detox. Gotu Kola is also a brain booster. It's been shown to improve blood flow, enhance memory, and even support emotional balance, especially in those who feel mentally foggy or overwhelmed. Drinking it fresh in the morning is one of the best ways to feel its full effects. Start by washing a generous handful of fresh Gotu Kola leaves. Juice them together with half an apple, just enough to soften the bitterness and add a natural hint of sweetness. If you like, a small piece of rock sugar can round out the flavor. But whatever you do, drink it right after juicing. That's when it's most potent, alive with nutrients and freshness your body can feel almost immediately. It's not your typical green juice. It's smarter, wiser, a little earthier. And for many, it becomes more than a morning habit. It becomes a ritual of cooling, clearing, and coming back to balance. 5. Warm lemon honey water, the classic that still works. Sometimes, the simplest things really are the most powerful. Long before detox became a wellness trend, people across cultures were starting their mornings with something incredibly basic: warm water infused with lemon and honey. And while it may seem ordinary, this gentle elixir continues to prove its worth, day after day, year after year. Let's start with lemon. Bright, zesty, and rich in vitamin C, lemon doesn't just wake up your senses, it wakes up your liver too. It supports the production of detox enzymes that help your body flush out toxins more efficiently. That little burst of citrus? It's like a clean sweep for your system. Then comes honey. Not just a natural sweetener, but a powerful healer in its own right. Raw honey contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that calm the digestive tract, ease bloating, and soothe the stomach. It also offers a soft, sustained energy, the kind that doesn't spike your blood sugar or leave you crashing mid-morning. But what truly makes this drink special is how it prepares your body for the day. It hydrates you after a night of rest, stimulates gentle bowel movements, a key part of detoxification, and gently nudges your metabolism awake. It's like pressing the reset button every morning, but with kindness and care. Making it couldn't be easier. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into about 300 milliliters of warm water, not boiling, just comfortably warm. Stir in a tablespoon of raw honey until it dissolves completely. Take a breath. Sip slowly. Let it set the tone for a day of balance, clarity, and intention. Some habits become rituals, not because they're trendy, but because they truly work. This is one of them. A timeless, trusted way to care for your body, from the very first moment of the day. So if you wake up feeling tired, sluggish, or just not yourself, try starting your morning with one of these drinks. It doesn't have to be much, just a small daily habit that will help your body feel supported, refreshed, and energized again. I'll be your companion on this journey. And if it helps even a little, I hope you stick with it. Subscribe to Be Health for more honest, natural tips to help you feel your best, every day, at any age. Until next time, take care of yourself and be health.